Welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, we are talking about the SiaCoin. What's the current price of the SiaCoin? What's the price since occur in the SiaCoin? And especially in this video, I'm talking about the very important news of the SiaCoin. So keep watch this video till the end, friends. And if you are new on my channel, please like this video and subscribe channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. Anyways, friends, let's move on and let's start the video, friends. First of all, as you can see here now, the current price of the SiaCoin on the screen, 0.030568 USD dollar is the current price of the SiaCoin. And if we look the price change occur in the SiaCoin, so absolutely the price change occur in the SiaCoin is going fast down, friends. The last 1 hour, the last 1 day, and the last 1 week, the whole changes occur in the SiaCoin is now in the negative, friends. So what's the reason behind it? Why the price change is in negative? So let's see the price chart for a better understanding that what's going in this time in the SiaCoin. As you can see here, the SiaCoin is fast down from the previous last 1 month, friends. Last 1 month price continue in the SiaCoin, friends. What's the reason behind that? Why the prices continue, friends? Negative 3.95% negative change occur in the SiaCoin in the last 1 month, and the highest price of the SiaCoin as 0.061452 USD dollar is the highest price of the SiaCoin in the last 1 month, friends. So what's the reason behind that? Why the price change is in negative, friends? The reason is that if you look the previous time changes occur in the SiaCoin, especially just if we talk about this price chart changes, so absolutely at this time the SiaCoin taken a high jump, especially the short term investor going to sell SiaCoin, and now after this time the holders, the long-term investor, also afraid by the fall of the SiaCoin, and they decide to sell SiaCoin. That's why the price of the SiaCoin is going down minute by minute, hour by hour, day by day. The price is going down because the long-term investor also afraid by the falls of the SiaCoin, and they decide to sell SiaCoin, friends. Especially in this video, I'm talking about you to don't do this mistake and don't sell SiaCoin in this time, friends. My personally advice, my personally recommendation for all of my viewers is that it's time to hold, not to sell. Don't sell it. It's time to hold SiaCoin and make a good amount of profit with the SiaCoin in the future, friends. Anyways, friends, let's move on and let's end the video, friends. First of all, we talked about the mistake of the SiaCoin holders. Don't do this mistake and don't sell. It's time to hold SiaCoin. Remember that it's time to hold, friends. And second, click the subscribe button, like this video. Subscribe is very important for all of you because I will update you every hour from every news. Thank you so much for subscribing a Tech channel.